I come from a family of 7 kids, and I'm Mormon. That's pretty normal here in this culture, but I'm not from this culture. My dad was in the military, and we moved from place to place to place. The north and the south, the east and the west, the hot and the cold, the middle of the city and the middle of nowhere. But there was one thing that never changed, and that is the fact that I was pretty different. I stood out. I wasn't like everybody else. I remember one time in high school, there was a moment that I'd been waiting for. My best friend and I had been talking for literally months and preparing for a certain day. Yeah, prom. And we were really excited, and I remember that night came. We were sitting at this table, and there was this girl across from me that I slightly knew, and this boy across from me that I slightly knew, and my best friend and her boyfriend and my date. And I remember that this girl that I just knew a little bit, she looked at me, and she was very, very scantily clad. I was wearing these sleeves, and she said, I heard that you and your sister have to cover up, and do you like that? And I just remember saying yes. I did. I liked it. I was the only person at the entire dance who had sleeves. It was just me. Out of all the hundreds of people there, it was just me. I was different. But I felt like it made me unique. It made me special. It made me stand out. And that's what I want to say today. Sometimes we think that being different is not okay. We think that being different makes us strange. We think that we have to look a certain way, or act a certain way, or be a certain way. But we don't. We can be different. Different people are happy people. Because they get to be themselves. They can dance, and they can sing, and they can like the things that they like. Take my family, for instance. My family likes to sing. When we go to a restaurant, they're standing in line and they're singing. And it's really embarrassing. But they do it. And they're happy doing it. Another really important thing to remember about different people is that different people change the world. Think about Walt Disney, George Washington, Harriet Tubman, Martin Luther King Jr. They were willing to be different. They were willing to stand out. They were willing to dare to do something brave. I'm not saying that what I did was brave. I honestly just thought that what I was wearing was pretty cool. Maybe because I was a little weird. But I was willing to take that step. And that night, there was actually someone there watching who I did not realize was there. He was sitting at a booth a little bit away, and he walked up to me and told me that he was proud of what I did. And that man was my bishop. Yes, my bishop was there. We don't always know who's watching, and we don't always know whose lives that we can make a difference in. But there is one thing that I do know, and that's that being different is okay. It's okay to look the way you want to look, and it's okay to be the way that you want to be. Because different people are happy.